This episode is all about hair bleach lighteners and a few of our favorite application tips. Powder, cream, or charcoal clay. The type of lightener you use and how you apply it has a huge impact on how much lighter your hair can go.
With powder lightener, this works best for isolating specific strands in foil, so it is ideal for highlights that look like they grow right out of your scalp, and for chunky or streaked highlights that add contrast in your darker hair. Now, how blonde can you go with powder? It all depends on the technique and placement, so you can really have fun with it. Two popular techniques you can try with this formula are weaving and slicing. With weaving, the amount of hair you select determines your results. Select less hair, you'll get more natural looking highlights that last longer. Grab more hair for bolder, all over blonde effect. To achieve heavy or chunky highlights, use the slicing technique. This results in bold, well-defined ribbons of lighter hair that really pop next to those dark strands. The key is to take narrow slices, about 1/8 of an inch, back to back to prevent uneven lifting or bleed marks. The width of the lightener hair ribbons is up to you, depending on how many back-to-back slices you take. It is important to do a strand test before applying any type of bleach lightener. It will give you a good idea of how light your hair will actually get. The second type of hair bleach lightener is cream. Pick this moisturizing base formula to lighten your hair from scalp to ends and to maintain your look with root touch-ups.
The third type of lightener, charcoal clay. If you love off-scalp specialty techniques like balayage, ombre, or a freehand painted look, this formula is for you. Like the name implies, you'll paint the lightener directly onto the hair wherever you want to lighten up. For a more natural effect, feather it in lightly through the hair. Or go bold and dramatic by painting the lighter on larger sections. To achieve an ombre look, paint layers of lightener at the mid-shaft of the hair and continue through the ends. This technique creates a sharp contrast of light and dark and results in a much bolder color.